how to create a game pass on Roblox. So if you want to create a game pass on Roblox, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then simply go with the Roblox. Search for roblox.com. Once you're under the roblox.com, or once you're here, you just need to simply log into your account. And once you've logged in, go with create option, which is here on the right side of the marketplace. Now, once you're here, you just need to simply go with the dashboard option, which is here on the upper left. And here, you just need to simply go with the experiences tab. And you just need to simply go with create experience, or you can simply go with an existing experience. Once you're here, now here on the left side, you will have a bunch of options, right? So you just need to simply go with the passes option. Click on passes, and from here, you will have an option of create a pass. Click on create a pass, and you can upload an image, but that's optional. And you can simply change the format. You need to name the pass, which is up to 50 characters, and then enter a description that you like, and then go with create pass. And once you click on it, then your game pass will be created. So that's how you can create a game pass in Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.